What's up, Bulls? I'm Annette, and this is News in 90. Hannah and I joined the USF Police Department for a ride-along to show you what it's like being a police officer at USF. Let's take a look.
Welcome to a police ride-along. Join us as we go behind the scenes with Officer Vickers. Some of the common situations that our police officers experience are traffic crashes, medical emergencies, disturbances, and trespassers. It ranges depending on the time of day. Usually, day calls are service-related, and night calls are self-initiated activity. Whenever there is a call, they run it on a program called the NCIC, the National Crime Information Center, or the FCIC, the Florida Crime Information Center. Thank you for joining us on this ride-along. I'm Hannah Yechivi with News in 90.
Going on a ride-along is an option that is available to anybody who is interested in observing the work of a police officer.
Typically, anytime we do arrest, we have another officer, at least at a minimum, as a backup officer or a cover officer. The ride-along can choose to get out in a safe location if they wish, prior to us engaging in certain types of calls, arrest situations if we deem that it's going to be unsafe for them.
To go on one, simply make a call and schedule an appointment. From there, they conduct a background check and have you sign a release of reliability. If you're interested, check it out. I'm Annette Gutierrez with Housing and Residential Education. We're the best place to live, best place to work, and the best place to learn. I'll see you next week.